Today's video, we're not doing a tutorial. Today, I'm going to make a balloon and you're going to guess what I'm making as I'm making it. This was her grandma's idea. My mother-in-law suggested I make a video of this style.
Yeah.
My in-laws, Joan and Walter Tracy, have been big supporters of our channel for a long time.
Yep.
They have played our videos a lot.
Yep. And I put thumbs up for my dad's channel as well.
Yep. But not just them. We have some other supporters I want to mention right here. Number one, Albir and Michelle. I probably pronounced that wrong. They've been a big supporter of our channel for the last few weeks, but I also want to draw to your attention their unique playlist. Everybody should have a playlist with all your videos in it. That's how you can get watch time. Playlists encourage watch time, but theirs, they just put it right in the title. Help, need 4,000 hours of watch time. That's a brilliant idea. There's nothing wrong with asking for help. Go make a playlist like that. Next one is Jace's Toy Playhouse. He plays with all kinds of toys that my kids would love to play with. Whoever runs his channel, because I'm pretty sure it's not him, has been a big supporter of our channel and playing our playlists and giving us lots of watch time. Next is Places to Go Travel. Go check out their channel if you like to see all kinds of unique places around the world.
Put your thumbs up, not thumbs down, but thumbs up.
JR's Time. That person there has been clicking a lot of our playlists and giving us a lot of watch time. Another supporter for you to check out is Frag Jamesy. She has a gaming channel, and she brought to my attention two good resources for YouTubers. One of them is TubeBuddy. Now, I haven't had a chance to check out any of these myself. I intend to look more into them, but apparently it's an extension for Chrome. She also brought to my attention vidIQ. There is a YouTube channel on that one that I have subscribed to, and I intend to watch a lot of their videos and see if it can help my build this channel. She also has two kids, and one of them, her daughter, Una.
Hi, Una!
Her daughter, Una, has a cooking channel and wants to be a professional YouTuber when she grows up. So go check out her channel as well.
And Jesse, if you're watching this,
Jesse,
I love you as a friend.
is Jesse a boy's name or a girl's name?
Does it matter?
No, of course it doesn't matter. Unless it's a boy.
Of course he is.
Okay.
Well, I don't want anyone else knowing this, but...
I know, you want to marry Jesse.
Yes, I have a crush on him.
Oh, I have to kill him now.
Daddy.
We made the 1,000 subscriber mark, which is really cool. Got it in both our channels already. What we're lacking is the watch time in this channel here. So we really want to thank all the people that have been sharing and playing our playlists.
The balloons that we're making today are dedicated to Una!
Okay, now time to make a balloon, and I don't even know what it is. She's going to surprise me and tell me what I have to make today.
You first.
It's not a tutorial, so I'm going to be going fast.
Right.
If you ever want me to make a tutorial, just let me know in the comments below. I'll put it on my to-do list, which is like this long.
I don't have a to-do list. Only thing I know is typing in the cake.
Okay, what am I making today? I'm making a brownie. Okay, but she drew it, but I'm not really clear. Okay, all right, I know what I'm making now, and it's not a worm, it's not a pickle, or a banana like I was hoping.
Yep, but we're not telling you.
I haven't made one of these in years, and even then, I didn't make very many of them in the past.
Nope,
it's going to take a lot of balloons.
Made one, just one.
Don't think these are for that.
For that.
Or should I just get rid of this? Should I?
Perfect.
You like the little green things in there?
Yep.
Okay. Enough?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, okay. that'll give it away. We had to cut out some scenes that Angelica was giving some hints.
Yes, and I want to give more hints.
We can't have hints.
We don't.
Okay, hang on.
If he doesn't let me stay, well, don't do it.
Okay, hold on to that.
And let's use that for
Okay, hang on. Hang on.
sister. No,
Yeah.
for queen. You can make it queen.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, hold on to that. Let's see. I would like to be proportional. Nope. No. Assistant.
Daddy.
Yes, assistant.
Yes, I'm your daughter. Stop calling me assistant, or I'll use you for my assistant in my movie.
We're almost done.
I made a human. It's but holding a ball, a pretty blue ball, holding it like this.
Yeah.
Under his like that's easy.
That's okay. You got a bug light on that, maybe.
You know, she made it.
You're trying to give her a bun here.
Daddy.
Can I take?
Yep, Daddy. You said her.
Yeah. Okay.
And you can't have anyone.
That works.
Mine.
That's supposed to be like a bun.
Yep, and I drew the
Bangs.
queen, but you'll probably recognize it and start telling your family about it.
Okay.
Besides, I drew the queen once,
Yeah.
and her wing was. I kept making the ring long. That way,
Give me
the
some
other
round
wing
ones.
and it was like like that. It looks like that. Have one?
I lost one.
Maybe the next one, but it was like really.
Here, hold that.
Right?
Okay, stop. Watch it. Yeah.
Still Daddy. Why do you have to call me assistant?
Assistant.
Daddy! Oh, I'm button on the face.
Okay, hang on.
We should have her holding something like a pretty.
So she has two little white things on her feet?
Yes?
You sure?
Yes, I've seen the video.
Okay.
Actually, I think we have as well. Let me just check. Make sure she does have this.
Angelica's just checking a picture right now, making sure she really does have two white things on her feet.
Bingo! Here you are, one. One from her.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it has powers. It has powers to do the water.
Yeah. So she has little white things on her feet?
Just sure. See?
Okay. No,
Step bigger.
Nope. Just gonna give her arm some shape. Yeah, pinch it. There you go. Yeah, pinch it harder. Okay, get up here.
Let me just grab something for making them like a...
That is supposed to be a bun, but I think it looks a little funny. Let me see.
This will be for the inside of the
let's
eyes.
start with the, yeah.
Yep.
Start
And
with the
make
black.
pretty eyelashes.
Okay, this is the hardest part, doing the art on these faces.
Who's slapping me?
Angelica, marker lady.
Yes. Lips. Hey, I said lips. Oh, that's pretty.
So this is not going to be perfect. I am not a perfect artist, but most kids will just love this.
I like them.
Mhm. Okay, Angelica, give me the dark blue as well.
Purple.
Yep. We're giving her giant Disney eyes because why not?
Giant Disney eyes.
Angelica, marker? Marker lady!
Come in.
Where's the dark blue? Okay, for some reason I can't find my dark blue Sharpie, so we're going to try this dry erase marker on top. And hopefully it works.
It does.
Yeah, if I rub, it tends to just wipe off the other marker. So I'm just trying to give her big dark blue pupils. Okay, now she finds some markers. There we go. This is a lot better than the dry erase marker. course, the finishing touches. The dot on the eye. Get a little bit of white on the sides.
I wish I had some yellow.
And from a distance, it looks a lot better.
I see. Wow!
Okay, if you're a better artist than me, and most people are, you will do a much better face on that.
Yeah.
So in case it's not clear to you now, Angelica requested I make a Tinkerbell. Get up here and get your Tinkerbell, young lady.
Okay. And I'm making the Powerball she's going to be holding.
Okay, why don't you show them what you made the other day? She wanted to make Tinkerbell yesterday, as she made it herself. This is not me showing her how to do anything.
I just figured it out.
And this one is a couple days old, that's why it's shriveled up a little bit. Yeah, it wasn't yesterday, it was the day before or something like that.
I did the eyes because the eyes weren't.
But these two here were both Angelica's creations. She did entirely on her own, no help whatsoever from me.
Yep, and I made the Ariel as a human. And her little girl, and a couple others, but girls,
yes.
No boys, just girls.
Yeah. She loves making balloons. Yep. So if you have any balloon requests, leave it in the comments here, and maybe one day we'll get around to it. And Angelica just made her something she called a power ball.
And she holds.
Okay, I'm guessing she holds it like this.
I know you're right.
Yeah. She holds it two hands together. Yep. Just grab the nozzle and grab this thing. Hold it together. There you go.
Don't you see this lady? I made her hands a little bit smaller. And dyed her wings.
Okay.
We forgot her wings.
All right, yeah, we thought we were done. Apparently Tinkerbell has wings. Got to make those wings. All right. Let's just get this. Let's get this going. Okay. Yeah, you gotta get fairy wings like that.
Small.
See?
Daddy, those are small.
I know they're small. She has little fairy wings. This is a real Tinkerbell. Okay, up, let me see. Now we gotta
see how big
attach
her
that to the
wings
back
are.
here.
I'm just gonna check out how big.
Hopefully she's done now. Got
Yep.
wings on the back. She's got her little, what do you call it, power ball?
Yep.
And she's got little
Feet.
things
Balls.
on her feet.
They're called
Tinker.
cotton balls.
She's got little cotton balls on her feet. And there, that is a fancy
Yep.
Tinkerbell.
And I'm going to be making my own video, and my dad's going to be working, and I'm going to make mine, and you have to guess.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Now is it my turn?
Leilani, look what Daddy made you. It was Angelica's idea.
What's he holding?
Angelica calls that a power ball. And the little cotton balls on her feet.
Wait, there wasn't only one cotton ball.
Angelica says there was two. What? How's my hair?
Just let me put it on the one side.
On this one side like that?
Yep.
Let me see. Now I look like a girl.
Okay. Turn around again. Let's put it on this side.
Okay.
Yeah.
How's that?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Oh, the camera's rolling!